discussion is on Python syntax. As we learned in the previous tutorial, Python syntax can be executed by writing directly in the command line, like just writing print hello world, or by creating a Python file on the server, using the file extension, and running it in the command line. Now, let us see what is Python indentation. Python indentation just refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. Where in other programming languages the indentation in code is for readability only. But indentation in Python is very important, because it defines a block of code in Python, and Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. As I told you, now let's see an example. As you see in the example that we leave a space before writing print in the second line. Now, if you don't leave an space before a command or if you skip the indentation, then Python will give you an error, like this. In this example we forgot to leave a space. That's why Python give us an error. And one more thing is that the number of spaces is up to you as a programmer, but it has to be at least one. Like in this example we first give one space, but second we give 2 or 3 spaces. And you have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code, otherwise Python will give you an error. Like as you see in this example. Now other topic is Python variables. In Python, variables are created when you assign a value to it. Like I have to assign x to a value of 10 then. I just put a equal sign between then. But in other languages you have to write the type of variable you are using. And one more thing is that Python has no command for declaring a variable. You will learn more about variables in the Python variables chapter. Now our last topic, comments. Python has commenting capability for the purpose of in-code documentation. Comments start with a hash and Python will render the rest of the line as a comment. As you see in the example we use hash to make the rest of line a comment. And lastly, that is for today friends. And if you found it useful then please subscribe to our channel. It is a humble request to you.